Welcome to the MyCRM Training and Resource Center for Microsoft Dynamics 365. I am Alistair Dickinson and I am the CMO and CEO of MyCRM. Feel free to use these resources and share. All we ask is you subscribe to the MyCRM YouTube channel, so go ahead and click subscribe. Today we will be looking at an introduction to using marketing lists within a marketing function directly in your Dynamics 365. Let's get started by navigating to marketing and selecting the marketing list option. Select the new point top left and start the process of creating a new marketing list. The marketing list form is presented with relevant options where you can populate relevant fields. Note, the list type can be static or dynamic, and the target for the list can be set to select three of the main record types: account, contact, or lead record. Using the setting dynamic, the marketing list reuses the query that makes up the list definition and will be rerun and requeried every time the list is used. This means that the criteria is set and any record that matches the criteria will be used on the marketing. Using the marketing list in static mode, as the name suggests, will associate a list of records based on a given criteria when created, and the list remains the same, i.e. static. Selecting participating members is straightforward, and you can do this in several ways. First, select the plus point, and the main options are either lookup or to make use of an advanced find query. If you're not familiar with advanced find, please see our video on the topic and learn how to create saved views. First, select the lookup and search for a record. Let's search for Simon. You can select the record and it is added to the list for use. A relationship to the record and the marketing list is automatically made. Now select the plus point again and select the Add using Advanced Find options. Select a list view or a saved view and then add the records by selecting. You can also select all by selecting the radio option at the bottom of the screen. In our campaign and quick campaign videos, we discuss using marketing lists further. Using marketing lists in dynamic mode is very similar, but the criteria comes from the advanced find view only. The marketing list will be refreshed based on the criteria selected when used. So if records have been added or removed, then only those that meet the criteria will be used on the marketing list. As you select a new list and complete the fields, you can set the list to be dynamic. Remember to save before adding participating member records. Select the plus point again and select the list from Advanced Find. The participating members are automatically added by association. This now concludes our short demonstration video of creating marketing lists for both static and dynamic for use within your Dynamics 365. For information or help with your Microsoft Dynamics 365, you can contact MyCRM by giving us a call, sending us an email, or contact us by social media. Just search MyCRM Group. Thanks for watching.